Hi everyone. Let's see the features of computer networks. I have listed few features here, so let us understand each one by one. So the first and foremost feature of any network is speed. We all know that in the current world, we are fully using our internet for all our online classes, for shopping, etc. If we do not have enough speed, the performance of the network is degraded. If we are not able to listen to our online classes or able to take classes, if there is disruptions in between, then the network is a failure. So the first and primary feature of any computer network is to ensure that there is proper speed of communication, which will only be the main factor for the performance of the network. The second important feature is file sharing. So when you share files or when you share your resources, then the performance of the computer networks is enhanced. So a file can be shared between different systems over the network. I can share my file through WhatsApp, through Gmail, through Facebook, through any kind of media, social media, to anyone in the world. So this has brought the world together and made the world look smaller. That is possible only with the file sharing concept of computer network. The third most important feature is backup and rollback. Even when we log in first time to the WhatsApp or in between, we generally get a message from the WhatsApp saying that, do you want to back up your data? On what period? Maybe a week or a month. Even our computers or our systems or our mobiles ask us, what period do you want to do a backup? So why backup is very important? Backup is definitely important because anytime if there is any attack on our system by the virus or any harmful programs, the data should not be lost. The ultimate aim of any work is to save the data because data are very important. We would have been working with our laptops on files and would have saved lot of data. It can include even our family pictures, which we have gone for a holiday. And if those data are just lost in a second by any virus attack or any other malicious program attack, then that would be a very great degradation of the performance of computer network. So backup is a very important feature, and rollback is also another important feature. Now, what is rollback? Rollback is nothing but restoring the system to its effectively running state. So why rollback is very important? If a company or an organization is working from morning 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., for example, at 12 o'clock, there is some problem and the system crashes or the server crashes and the files are lost. If the organization is able to roll back their server or the systems to the last perfectly work state, which can be a time period of 1 hour before, so they would be able to restore their systems to 11 a.m. So from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. only the data might have been lost. Yes, of course, there can be a loss, but the loss is a small amount and can be worked on. So backup and rollback are very important features of computer networks. Let us see the fourth one, which is hardware and software sharing. As I've already told, hardware sharing includes printers, sharing of data in the form of using pen drives. So software sharing is also possible. The next important is maintaining the security of the network. So we will be seeing in detail about the security and what protocols are going to be used in my other videos. So as of now, security is definitely an important feature of computer network because all our data are going to be in the internet or in any kind of network. So ensuring the security of the data ensures that our data are confidence and we have the confidence to work with that network. Now, the next important point is called scalability. So what is scalability? To scale a network means to grow a network or increase the size of a network. For example, if we are going to set up a network of 4 systems, a small office network at home. So I buy all the requirements to set up the network. And if I buy a hub with 4 ports, I would be able to conveniently connect it to the 4 systems that I have. And when my business grows and I buy another 4 systems, then I would be buying another component to include this into the network. But with the help of a switch or extended connectors, I should be able to add any number of systems as and when it is required. So the network that we develop should always be scalable. So increasing the size of the network at any time without investing more or spending a lot of time on installation is called scalability. And the final feature is reliability. Anyone has to have a reliable relationship to increase the trust of the relationship. Likewise, systems who are in a network have to trust each other so that they don't fail each other and they help to improve the performance on an overall period and ensure 100% performance to the communication, and there is no degradation at any point. Only when that kind of assurance or trust is given by a network, then the network becomes successful. So reliability is last in the feature, but it is definitely an important feature. Thank you.